After having installed the 740D electronic control unit as indicated in the technical manual, connect the power connector. Check that the following LEDs are on: Stop, Edge Safe, FSWOP and FSWCL if the gate's opening direction has already been selected during programming. With the gate closed and the opening direction towards the right, the FCA LED must also be on. If it opens towards the left, the FCC LED must be on. To memorize the SLH transmitter, place it into transit mode by pressing buttons 1 and 2 simultaneously. When the LED flashes, release the buttons and press only the button that you wish to memorize. Keep it pressed until the LED remains on steadily. While keeping it pressed and remaining at a minimum distance of 20 centimeters, press the button on the receiver for a few seconds, making sure that the LED remains on steadily. To check that the transmitter has been memorized, press the button that has been memorized twice. If the gate opens, it means that the procedure has been carried out successfully. Press the button on the transmitter again to close the gate. Start the programming procedure by keeping the F button pressed. LO, operating logic, appears on the display. Releasing the button causes the preset semi-automatic logic to appear. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the operating logic that is most suited to your requirements. In our case, select Logic A, which allows the operator to close automatically. Press and hold the button F again. PA, pause time, appears on the display. When the button is released, the actual pause time appears. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the time to the one required. If you keep button F pressed, FO, motor force, appears on the display. 50 appears when the button is released. Select the most appropriate value for the gate that is to be automated. Press and hold the F button. The next item, DL, indicates the opening direction. -3 appears on the display when the button is released. If the gate opens towards the left, modify this value to E-. Otherwise, leave it as -3. Press and hold F again. ST appears on the display. When the button is released, you exit from the basic programming function. The final braking value can now be programmed. While keeping the F button pressed, press the plus button. Then release both buttons. BO appears on the display. If you press the F button, BR appears. Releasing it causes the preset braking value 05 to appear. Select the most appropriate value for the gate that is to be automated. To adjust the encoder sensitivity, press and release button F until you reach the parameter EC. Release button F. A value of 99 appears on the display. Reduce this value if you wish to increase the reverse on obstacle response. Exit from programming mode by pressing and releasing button F until you reach parameter ST. The gate is ready for operation.